friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install printer with IP address. So let's start the video. To open any browser and type the printer model with driver, then you will get the official website. From here you will choose your printer driver and you have to download it. So I'll choose my printer driver. I'll choose the first one and I will download it. I'll have to click on download. So we have to wait for the download to finish. Now I have to click on the download file. So it will extract automatically. It is a GIF file. To go to download, and if you open the download folder, you can see there is a file, driver file. So from here you have to click on setup. Now you have to click on next. Now from here you have to choose custom because we want to install the printer with IP address. Now I have to click next. Now we have to go back from here. Now you have to select the port, so we have to add the port here, not this option. We have to go to add port option. Yes, now you have to select on IP. Now I have to click on next. Now I have to click on next. From here we need to give the printer IP address. So from here we will give our printer address 172.168.10.56. Now we have to click on next. Now I have to click on next. Now I have to click on install. So from here you will see there is a existing printer which need update. So you have to click on next. Now it will take some time to install the printer. So we'll have to wait for some time. So our installation has almost finished. It will finishing the install. So after finishing the install, you have to restart your PC. So as you can see, there is a notification that you have to restart your PC or laptop. We won't do this, we'll do it later. We need to go to our control panel and see whether our printer has added or not. Can exit from here. We'll do the restart later. Now we need to go to control panel. From there we'll go to the printer and scanner. So from here you can see our printer has successfully added. We can go to printer properties. You will see it is connected with static IP address. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.